Okay, here's a field fix for the dumping leg that is a better improvement for us. These are the tools you're going to need: a 1/4 inch drill and a 7/16 wrench. This here is what it's going to look like when it's all finished right here. And I'm going to take it apart, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it. So bear with me just for a minute. I'll send this here along with this here and these other parts also. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure down 1 7/8 inches right here and put the drill right in this seam right here and drill a hole. That's it. Okay? Next, we're going to put the clamp back in to the hole, and we're going to secure the wood back on it again. It's really pretty simple. Put this here back on. Put the 2 nuts back on. And then we just hold this up right here until it comes up and it touches here. Now this here can move a little bit, and that's how it's supposed to. But if you look right over here, you can just put this up until this here is nice and flush, if you can see that. Once you get that flush, there's another hole right here. You go like this. Just drill a hole. That's it. Then we're going to end up putting a bolt in with a washer and a washer on the other side. It's going to go right into there. I furnished the bolts and everything. It's going to go right in the hole. And then you tighten it up, and that's all there is to it. So probably under 5 minutes to tighten it all up. Tighten it all up with a wrench, and you're done. This here will hold it so when you pick it up and you dump it, all the stuff will fall out, and this keeps the handle from going into the mud. Thank you very much.